Hi. So let us begin with our first lesson, and that is fundamentals of digital marketing. Now, why fundamentals? Understand one thing. If the fundamentals are clear, fundamentals basically the core, the base. If the base is clear, then the rest of the things becomes easier and clearer. Unless the base is clear, the other things are very difficult to understand. For example, when we go to school, it is always started with the alphabets. The languages are not taught directly, the sentences. We start with alphabets, then words, then phrases, and then we start the creating the sentences, and then we get fluency on the particular language. The same goes for any course or anything you learn. The core has to be very clear. So let us begin with the core of digital marketing. To understand the fundamentals, we will divide this into two. One is marketing, another is digital. So, what is marketing? Basically, marketing is a process of promoting or selling the product or services to the customers who need it. Now, three words who need it. So, when you are promoting a product or services to only people, that means you're targeting only people who need it. For example, this is a water bottle. Everyone will not purchase this bottle, and I will not promote this bottle to everyone. I need to understand who will need it. For example, people going to gym, people working, people traveling. When they would need it, I need to understand and I need to promote accordingly. So, this is a main concept to understand in marketing. In other words, it is a process of getting people interested in your products or services. People will purchase only when they are interested. Marketing is not selling anything. In any company, there are marketing and sales department are different. So the job of the marketing people are just to create awareness of the product. This product exists in the marketing. That's it. To understand this, three marketing concepts are very important: product, price, and quality. Now, for example, I have to promote this product. I'm working for an agency, I'm working as a freelancer, whatever. I have to sell this product. Before deciding on the campaigns or the budget, I need to understand this product in and out. What is this product about? Is it a new launch in the market or it is an existing product? Is this product a something new kind of a product in the market? No one has ever launched such a product in the market. Or is it other companies or other brands have launched, but this has come with different features, addressing the pain point of the people. It could be anything, right? So need to understand the in and out of the marketing. For example, this is a hand cream. So what are the features? Hand lotion is or hand cream is not only the one cream in the market. There are many competitors in the market. What is the USP of this product? It says that lotion perfume. So it speaks about the fragrance of the product. Also, there are many other features that it speaks about. So this you need to understand the USP of the product. Then comes to price. Okay, is it affordable or is it luxurious product beyond the afford of any common man? What is the price of it? And then comes the quality. Many brands they always speak of the price, but they compromise on the quality. There are so many brands they do not compromise on the quality. They do not speak about the brand. We will Try to understand taking the examples of two different brands in terms of product and services both. So the concept is clear. Tesla cars. Have you heard of Tesla cars? They are not in India now and very soon, but they are going to launch in India, maybe this year or the coming year. Tesla cars are the electronic car. Is Tesla only the one electronic car in India or anywhere else? No. Many brands like Kia, Tata have the electronic cars. So, what is so special about the Tesla? So, we will just have a look at their website. They talk about charging, supercharging, and they claim that within 15 minutes it can be charged, or you can recharge in just 15 minutes for 200 miles, up to 200 miles. There are many other things they speak about, many other quality they speak about. They do not speak about the price, they just speak about the quality, meaning those who do not compromise on quality and they can afford to purchase, they will go with Tesla. Okay. Same thing with the iPhone. iPhone is also beyond the reach of a common person, of a common man. It's very costly. iPhone on one side, Android's phone on the another side. Androids always speak about the feature and they are affordable. iPhones are not affordable, but iPhone also never speaks about the price. It always speaks about the quality. So those who are concerned about the quality will always opt for the iPhones. Talking about the services, Physics Wala and Khansar. Now, what is Physics Wala? Physics Wala offers many courses, okay, like competitive exams, NEET, GATE, IIT, IAAS exams, school preparations, government exams, UG and PG entrance exams, finance, and many other courses. Same is with the Khansar. If you Google search, you will get to see who is Khansar. He also offers many courses, but they both claim that their courses are very affordable, yet they do not compromise on the quality. They never compromise on quality. They offer the courses that are as good as the other institutes who offer the same courses for 50,000. 50,000. Physics Wala offers same courses for 4,000, 5,000, but still they do not compromise on quality. Okay, so now these are the things, price, product, quality. 4 P's of marketing. There are 4 P's and 7 P's spoken and discussed in the marketing. There are 5 P's also, but normally spoken are 4 and 7 P's. Product and price we discussed. Promotion. What is promotion? For example, I want to promote this bottle. So, how am I going to use the promotion? Whether I'm going to use the digital media or I'm going to use a traditional way like it could be print media, it could be television ads, it could be radio ads, it could be anything. So here, when we are talking about the promotion, it depends on many factors like your budget and many other places like the manufacturing unit or the offices where they are. So here we have seen the traditional and the digital platforms. Uh, Traditional is like networking, direct mail, product samples, cold callings, face-to-face exhibitions, outdoor, TV, radio, newspaper, magazines, anything. And digital is SEO, website, Google Ads, social media marketing, organic or the ads, anything. Or you can use all these things. We will see this example of Maruti Suzuki. Okay, so let us discuss the 4 P's of Maruti Suzuki. Coming to the product strategy, Okay, they occupy nearly 37% share of the Indian passenger car. Now, these cars are commercial as well as personal use. They speak about the durability of the car, the design, and they also have emergency services round the clock. And they have many service centers across in India like Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, and many other places, almost all the places in India. Coming to the pricing strategy, they always claim that they have kept the average people in mind and selling the product. None of the products carry a hefty price tag within the reach of a common man. Okay, they do not possess any extravagant features like BMW cars. Okay, Mini Cooper. We know these are very high-end cars, so they do not have any such features that would increase the cost of the car. So it is within the reach of a common person. Then coming to promotion, they have been using all the videos in traditional and digital, print media, television, radio, newspaper. Okay, so as you have seen, they have been promoting across all the channels. They have even presence on social media platforms. Coming to the price strategy, these are the imported cars, but keeping in mind the cost because they were targeting the normal consumers and the prices were going very high, so they decided to put up a manufacturing plant in India. So they started first with a plant in Gurgaon, and then they extended the plant in many other cities. So these are the 4 P's with example. Okay, coming to 7 P's, 3 extra P's, that is physical, people and process, and mostly they are used in service industry. Now, what is people, process, and physical? We'll see here. People meaning the employees and sales people who work for a business, including the business owners themselves. Now we take an example. These people are so important. Example, you go to the bank and you want to open a bank account. You imagine an executive who opens the account at that time is not present. He or she has not come to office. Would the bank not open your account? So this is very important factor that the business have to keep in mind. Your business should not stop. It is going to impact a lot. It will be a huge loss. So the people are very important factors, and every business have to keep in mind this factor. Process is the process involved in manufacturing, sales, marketing, everything. So any product goes through many process. Any services goes through many process. It is not just the one process, many process. Same goes with the physical evidence. Physical evidence like your business, your manufacturing unit, your office. Then comes the testimonials. You have seen many companies they take the testimonials, the case studies. You can see the testimonials and the case studies, how the services, how much did they like the service and how satisfied were the service with, or with the product. So these are the marketing concepts. My advice to you all is please go through all the fundamental of digital marketing videos, not once, not twice, not thrice, but as many times as possible. Even before you start running the campaign, you must go through this because these are the base. If the base is clear, it will become very easy for you to create the campaigns. Thank you.